Good evening, sir. My name is Varaprasad. I am working as a business development manager at College Dunia. Sir, could you please give us?
Very nice to speak to you.
Yes.
I am Dr. Ramesh here, principal of BIT Institute of Technology, Indopur, speaking to you.
Yeah. So my first question is, sir, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style, sir?
Actually, I believe in transformational leadership.
Okay.
So I always see that I should be a role model involving in the smallest and minor activity
Okay.
to the utmost precision.
Hmm.
And I also, as a leader, I wanted to develop leaders, not just followers.
Yes, sir.
So that is the philosophy with which I work.
Okay, sir. My next question is, you have held key positions at education institution throughout your professional career. So what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector, sir?
Yeah, basically I'm a teacher. I love to be a teacher.
Okay.
And it's a great opportunity to motivate, guide and mold,
Yes, sir.
especially rural students,
Okay.
because they have a lot of creativity and talent.
Hmm.
So I wanted to encourage them. So indirectly, I wanted to contribute to the development of the nation, both economically and in the talent front.
Yes, so that's really great, sir. And sir, my next question is, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college, sir?
Actually, being engineering institutions,
Hmm.
so we wanted to have a quality students. See, when you are looking for a quality education,
Hmm.
so in order to attract quality students, we conduct bid set examination.
Okay.
So it is a merit scholarship based exam,
Hmm.
wherein the best students and meritorious students would be given some scholarships and free ships, books and other things. See, the good rank holders in the common entrance exam like MSED,
Okay.
so we offer them some scholarships. So
Yeah.
we also go to the intermediate colleges, motivate them, give career guidance,
Okay.
so that we'll tell them various facilities, how good is the engineering education,
Hmm.
and better life. So like that, we are taking some strategies.
Hmm.
Similarly, we also generate a lot of this one material, advertisement material like calendar.
Hmm.
So some newsletters. Every quarter we bring in newsletters which will be distributed to the intermediate students.
Hmm.
With our first year students, there happens to be the seniors for these students.
Yes, sir.
So these are some of the strategies in admission.
Yeah. Sir, how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
Yeah, actually, now university syllabus also is been reframed.
Okay.
So there is lot of mini projects and other flexible in the
Hmm.
this one. They have elective subjects, but to have better employability, what we are doing, we regularly conduct industrial visits
Okay.
and also conduct workshops and conferences in the latest technologies.
Okay.
So see that our students will be augmented or empowered in the latest technologies,
Hmm.
that is industrial 4.0, so that they will be observed into the industries.
Yeah, so that's really great insight for the students who are looking for your college. And sir, what do you think should be the college's top priority over the next 10 years?
The next 10 years, it is now industrial. The buzzword is industrial 4, like artificial intelligence, robotics,
Hmm.
data sciences,
Hmm.
blockchain technology. So these courses we wanted to just augment. That means we need to go for these technologies. And what we are doing at the present
Hmm.
with our alumni who are in the industry. So we have very good, proud. I am very proud of our alumni. They have spread across the world.
Hmm.
They are working in the best companies,
Hmm.
and they are supporting us. They come as a resource person and they are sharing their knowledge in their domain.
Hmm.
Now we are imparting these technologies with the AP Skill Development Center also.
Okay.
We conduct certain workshops, see that the students are, updated. And we have a certain like a remote center connected to all IITs.
Okay.
We offer projects from the IIT,
Okay.
Bombay. And like that, some areas we are stressing and encouraging the students to have even startup research-oriented projects.
Yeah, so that's really interesting. And sir, what was your vision for the university and has it evolved over the time?
Yeah, you all know I was also stressing. The university has also taken a lot of strides in improving the syllabus.
Okay.
Presently, they have also started, this augmenting the latest technologies, Industry 4. They have a flexible syllabus from the 5th semester onwards. So since we are affiliated college, we strictly adhere to the syllabus. But flexible, electives are there. We do invite industries expert and some of our alumni to impart better practical knowledge to our students.
Yeah, sir, that's really nice. And so, what would you like people to know about your college that they may not know?
See, our management is also visionary management. We run college most ethically. Now, of late, because of the fees reimbursement and other things, the students are not serious, our parents are not serious. We always want to impart quality education, holistic education, involving various. We have a lot of social audit programs. We have NSS, active NSS wing. We have taken up 10 villages, adopted 10 villages, and we involve our students in doing social, responsible works. And we wanted to be more, to be human beings concerned towards the society. That is our major philosophy.
Okay, sir. So, how do you establish a healthy relation or environment in your college, sir?
So, healthy environment, what we are doing is we often conduct alumni meet. It is a green campus.
Yes, sir.
We have a lot of plantation in and around, and we have plastic-free environment.
Okay.
And apart from that, we got certain awards for our campus maintenance. So from this, apart from that, what we are doing is we have regular parents meeting, alumni meeting.
Okay.
And also, we invite all these resource persons, great motivators and resource persons. See that we have a better environment. We take feedback from the parents as well as the students. See that we wanted to maintain a healthy relationship with the stakeholders.
Yes, sir. That's a really great initiative, sir. Sir, what do you see college's greatest strengths?
Pardon?
So, what are the college's greatest strengths?
Our college strength, we have 4 centers of excellence.
Okay.
One is Cyber Security Center from National Defense, and we have a remote center from IIT Bombay, which will be networked with all NIITs, that is National Institute of Technical Teachers Training.
Okay.
So, wherein we are offering faculty development programs, workshops, seminar, from the experts. So, a lot of our faculties were empowered with the latest technologies, and they are also well versatile with the IT essentials, which they will use in their teaching and learning. So that has imparted a good knowledge to the students. And apart from this, we have QEEE program, Quality Enhancement in Engineering Education, wherein we have an association with IIT Chennai. Okay. Directly from IIT Chennai, the professors will be taking one or the other chapters in the particular courses. So that is one program, and we have SWAYAM, NPTEL Center for MOOCs courses.
Yeah, sir, that's really great, sir. The people, the students who are looking for your college, and it will be a great help for them also. Yeah, sir, any insight into how your college could be more welcoming to the students of different races or different economic backgrounds?
Actually, this particular question, we are not, we wanted to just cater to the needs of our Hindupur Mandal rural area.
Okay.
So we wanted to encourage rural students. So what we do is lot of merit scholarships were given for the students who perform better. Maybe those who get the distinction in the first year, and also the rankers, they will be given the cash prizes. And apart from that, we have a barrier-free environment for the physically challenged people. And we do have other all communities here. So we have we are supporting in terms by providing by either the uniforms, books, and other things. to some of the communities. And some of the people who are unfortunate to further this education, we are giving free seats,
Yes.
encouraging them to have a better campus.
Yeah, sir. That's really great about your college, sir. I mean, so what are the some plans that you currently are you will be designing for the college or the students?
Actually, now there is lot of technology which they can augment
Yes.
sitting at home.
Hmm.
So what we have done is we are encouraging them. We have a EDP cell, entrepreneurs. We are looking to generate entrepreneurs, create entrepreneurs, and one more thing is we have an incubation cell. We wanted to have some startups inside the campus and encourage a lot of research activity. So our projects now, the publications have been increased. We are encouraging all the faculties and other people because we have the remote center and we are encouraging to pursue their research and also generate a lot of research materials.
Yeah. Okay, sir. My last question is: any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Actually, today, as Abdul Kalam, see, I also is a role model for me. So Abdul Kalam says, you have to dream big. Today, students are very fortunate. So whatever they dream, they can realize. Because everything, it is information is available. There are Coursera, Tata Group is providing, and Swayam from the Government of India, NPTEL, all these courses, they can pursue whatever they wanted to, understand. They can pursue quite easily. Apart from that, Industry 4 technologies it is going to be there for another 10 to 15 years. So they need to augment with the latest technologies. That is one. And when they have patience, perseverance, and the passion for learning, sky is the limit.
Yes, sir.
They can break anything.
Yes, sir.
So they can have a very quality life. That is what today's youth.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you very much for your time, sir. And
Very nice of you, Varaprasad, for the wonderful interview.
Okay, sir.
So thank you and nice to meet you. And I wish all the best for the collegedunia.com.